everybody. I know I typically do a lot of car videos, and I figured I'd just take the time to show you something else I've been working on lately. So I have an old storage room that we don't really use a whole lot. We were storing wine in there for a while, and I figured, hey, why not make a wine cellar? As you can see, it's pretty bland in there. Concrete floors, the walls are white, lots of old wood hanging off the walls, drainage pipes sitting there. In the background you can see that I started building a cover for that drainage pipe. Kimberly is just staining it right now. The wine rack in total is going to be quite large. This is just one section out of 4. The wine rack is essentially just a series of long rectangles that are notched and interlocked for added stability. I added some individual side storage to kind of frame the diamond shape in the center. The room itself needed some adjustments, so I painted the walls and I laid down some wood tiling and inserted the newly stained pipe cover. You can see that I added an additional 2 rows of storage on top of the diamonds. I'm not entirely sure what happened here, but same kind of stain, 2 different shades. This is probably just a result of inconsistent mixing of the stain. I decided to include one of my older wine racks that I built just to fill up the space until the other 3 are finished. I found a used wine barrel at Windsor Plywood for about $160, so I had to pick that up. My fiance and I are a bit on the nerdy side, so we decided to brew the Haunting Brew mead from Skyrim. The wine cellar was starting to look pretty good by this point, but I figured it was missing something. I ordered a bunch of strip light LEDs from Amazon and installed them in the back of the wine rack. I wired the 12-volt power supply for the LEDs into the lighting circuit, so that when the lights turn on, the rack lights will also turn on. I have a few other ideas that I want for this room beyond building the wine racks. One of them is to build light sconces that look like horns that will be mounted around the room, and I'll remove the central light from the room, so only the sconces and the wine racks will be illuminating the area. I think I'm also going to design and install a hidden doorway into the wine cellar that requires a certain password to be said before the wine cellar doors will open. This will then trigger all the lighting to come on, and I think I'll also have some ambient music that plays. Skyrim tavern music is probably going to be in the background. So that's the wine cellar so far. I hope you like it. I'll post another video when I build the other 3 racks and install them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.